Welcome students. Now in this video we will study the story given in your book, and please recall all the things which I have taught you in the previous video. Recall about the Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, recall the secretary, and what I have told you about the Gram Sabha, how it is elected, who are the members, of Gram Panchayat, everything. Okay, because in this story all the concepts will follow. Now see this picture, this the first picture. In this you can see a meeting, a Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha is a village meeting. Now what are you able to see on the platform? Five individuals, they are sitting. Now these five individuals are the Panch. And can you see one woman member also? Why one woman member is sitting in between them? Because some seats are reserved for women candidates also in Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat. Clear? Now see, here is a special occasion which is Gram Sabha. Why the people are eager to assemble in this Gram Sabha, the first meeting? Because after election a new Gram Panchayat has been elected. Clear? And the people of Hardas village, they are eager to know about the new plans. As you know, the Gram Panchayat is responsible for making plans. Clear? Now Gram Sabha meeting begins, and who is the head? Head is the Panchayat President, or he is also known as Sarpanch. We have read about it. Clear? Now the discussions they start. What type of discussions they are doing? They are discussing about the problems in the villages. Clear? What sort of problems they are discussing? They are discussing the problems of water, water management, and they are also discussing it for the permanent solution. See, one of the villager named Tijja begins meeting by saying what the water problem in Hardas has become very acute. It always occurs there. So some of them, they give a suggestion that we must make the piping waters from Suru river. Suru is the name of river which is 3 kilometers away. And what problems the people used to face? The women, they have to go to that Suru river 3 kilometers away to get the water, and it is very difficult task. So one of them suggests that overhead tank should be made. Some of them suggest that the depth should be increased, but they discuss this thing that they want a permanent solution. So one of the member named Anwar, what he suggests that there should be watershed to be made, that is watershed development. Now what is watershed? Watershed is an area where the rainwater can be stored, or the rainwater or the river water can be stored. Clear? So he wants that this type of development should be also done in their village, because this type of development was done in his brother's village where people had planted trees. Now why people plant the trees? Because by planting trees the underground water increases. The roots of the plants, they help in percolation of water. Water seepage increases, and hence the water table under the ground, it increases. Clear? So several such discussions were there. Now yet another discussion started in this, that is about the BPL card. There was a list to be announced in this meeting, in which the names of the people who are having less earnings or who are below poverty line. Poverty line कोई line नहीं है बेटा. Poverty line is a demarcation, a data which is calculated on which on behalf of which the people are divided into poor and above the poverty line, that is rich people, who manage to take proper diet per day. So according to the calories or according to the earning of the people, which they daily earn, or the food which they take, which they intake daily, according to which it is decided whether a person is below poverty line or above poverty line. So here is a list discussed in the meeting, in which the names of few people were and minded by the people, like Natwar. The name of Natwar was there in the list, and few people, they discussed among themselves that Natwar has just bought a color TV and his son was also having a new motorcycle. So how could his name be in the list of below poverty line, BPL list? Clear? And some of them were not able to speak this, because they were afraid of some prominent or some rich powerful person which are sitting inside in this meeting also. Like Saroj says to Sukhi Bai, how did Birju name get on the list? He has so much land. This list should have only poor people. That means the BPL, the list of BPL must have only the name of very poor people. Clear? And the name of Om Prakash was not there. He was a landless laborer. So all these things were discussed among the people. Clear? So, and they were not able to speak up. Why? Because Amir Chand, because of his powerful attitude, the people were not able to speak, because he was a zamindar, a landowner. Possibly some of the members or some of the villagers has taken loan from Amir Chand, and maybe that Amir Chand always exploit them, so they are not able to speak up. Clear? Still, one of the person, he managed to speak it up. And says, and in the Sabha, he stood up and started declaring this thing, that the name of some people who are landless, their name is not written in the list, and they are poor also. So the Sarpanch, then he announces that it might be missed, or he asked the person who surveyed for the BPL list. Clear? Then he ordered, the Sarpanch gave the instruction that survey for it again and find out how much income he is having, so that his name could be added in the list. So this is how the Gram Panchayat and the Gram Sabha works. The Gram Sabha, we have read about one function of Gram Sabha, that Gram Sabha keeps an eye on the working of Gram Panchayat. So you have seen this example. With the help of this example, you people come to know how the Gram Sabha, it keeps a check on the working of Gram Panchayat. Clear? I think this is clear. So coming on to our next topic, we have read about the Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat has regular meetings. Why regular meetings are kept? Who announces the meetings? Who announces the date of the meetings? Yes, the secretary. Secretary announces the dates of the meetings for Gram Panchayat also and for the Gram Sabha also. Clear? In some villages, Gram Sabha form committee for doing special tasks, like committee for construction, committee for developmental plans. This is how the Gram Sabha works. Clear? These committees will have special tasks. Now see this picture, beta. In this picture you can see two village punch. One is woman punch and one is a male punch. They are getting some sort of commemoration. They are having awards in their hands. These awards are known as Nirmal Gram Puraskar. These Puraskar were given in 2005 for the excellent work done by the Panchayat. So why the Nirmal Gram Puraskar are given? They are given to the Panch for what thing? For giving their excellent work in the Panchayat. Clear? Now see, there are some different pictures here which shows you the developmental plans which are done in the villages. See, in the picture on the left side there is a barren land shown, and the picture on the right side shows a green land. that means with the help of the developmental plan, the barren land in the village is converted to a green land. Greenery is there. And what is the program known as? It is known as watershed management. Now this watershed management, I have explained you watershed, ठीक है ना. वाटरशेड मैनेजमेंट के कारण क्या हुआ, ये बैरन स्लोप जो है वो अब किस में बदल गई है, ग्रीन मेडो में. क्लियर. सो these all things are done by gram panchayat. अच्छा, we have one more function of the secretary. Now read it here, that the secretary records the decision also. Whatever in the meeting of Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat, whatever decisions were taken, they are all recorded by the secretary. So this is yet another function of the secretary. Clear? So you are all aware about the first level, first tier of the panchayat. Now there are another two tiers of the panchayat. One works at the block level and one works at the district level. The one that works at block level is known as block samiti, clear, or Janpat Panchayat or Panchayat Samiti. There are different names of it, as you can see in the this picture also. The Panchayat Samiti has many Gram Panchayats under it. That means a collective Gram Panchayats, they form Panchayat Samiti. Clear? And who all are the members in the Panchayat Samiti? All the Sarpanch. They are the members in the Panchayat Samiti. Clear? Then the third tier of the Panchayati Raj system is the Zilla Parishad, which works at the district level. Clear? And it makes the developmental plan. It is a connection between the state and the other two levels of the panchayat. Clear? It regulates the money. Regulates the money means it provides funds to the panchayat. And from where these funds come from? These funds come from the state government. The funds are also collected by the taxes. Clear? So all these tiers of the panchayat, they work according to the guidelines of the constitution, laws given in the constitution. Clear? And these all guidelines are coded. Earlier, in the past, the Panch, they work according to their own free will. But nowadays, the panchayats has become republic. There are elected heads. Republic का मतलब क्या होता है? Elections are done for choosing the representatives. So now the panchayats are republic, and the elections are held at regular interval of time, and this regular interval is 5 years. Clear? So this is how you are now aware about the Panchayati Raj system. Clear?